Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Burlington. This time I'm starting in the shoe section. Look at these Champion slippers. I like the colors on those. And these are super cute, Michael Kors. But sometimes Burlington has some really cute shoes like these. Fancy. But they do go pretty quick. Because one time I wanted a pair of slides I had seen. And then when I showed up here, they were gone already. So here's some UGG knockoffs. Like the fluff, yeah, that UGG makes. Those looked like that. But I'm going to look at the accessories now. I'm going to end up in the clothing section. But I just don't ever come over here to the accessories. So I thought I'd see what kind of deals they had. Seems like anywhere you go, there's always a set of earrings missing from those packs like that. It's pretty sad because somebody probably stole them. And this spring and summer, I'm looking for sunglasses that are mirrored. So the front's mirrored, but I also want them to be big. And I've seen some aviators where the fronts are mirrored, but they're kind of small. I want big lenses. Because I love big sunglasses because if you don't wear any makeup, you can just throw on a big pair of sunglasses and half your face is covered so nobody even knows you're not wearing makeup. And then imagine if you go somewhere that you wear a mask. You just have a mask on and your sunglasses and nobody sees any part of your face. Now these are cute. I like the color of these. Now Target has some $10 shoes like that, like the fake Birkenstocks, and they're real lightweight. And I got some that were pink with flowers. They're like a purplish pink. And then they have yellow. And then they have some without flowers. They have a white pair and blue without flowers. But they're really comfortable and lightweight. I like them so far. Now I think I'm going to head over to the clothing and see what I can find in the women's clothes.